Hey guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and if you're looking for a way to keep your gut healthy, maybe you've been traveling and have parasites, I'd highly recommend ParaGuard. I personally think this is great because it's all natural. It's super easy to take. What I'll do is I'll take like 30 drops in the morning and 30 drops in the evening. It's recommended to take it on an empty stomach. Something else that's great is because it is natural, it's not super harsh. Kids can take it too. And it has 4 natural products that help to rid your body of parasites and prevent parasites. It has walnut hull, wormwood, clove bud, and pumpkin seed. These are all things that can help to keep your gut nice and healthy. I find this pretty easy to take as well because the taste isn't super strong. It's more of a minty, herby flavor. I put it in a cup of water in the morning and it's easy to drink. If you're looking for a product to help keep your gut healthy, I'd highly recommend ParaGuard. I think it has really great ingredients. I've been enjoying using it. I like it, and that's my point of view.